BitcoinDorks fans, gather round the digital campfires, because tonight we're not just roasting marshmallows under the shimmering glow of Satoshi's Nakamoto, we're stoking the flames of a burning question: when will that elusive beast, the Bitcoin ETF, finally grace the hallowed halls of Wall Street? Fear not, intrepid explorers, for we have a secret weapon in our arsenal, a Bloomberg analyst wielding a crystal ball filled with market insights and regulatory intel. So, grab your metaphorical shovels of skepticism and your buckets of cautious optimism, because tonight, we're digging deep into the timeline of the Bitcoin ETF, separating hype from reality, and maybe, just maybe, catching a glimpse of that long-awaited regulatory dawn. First, let's dispel the myth: any prediction about the future is a shot in the dark, an educated guess in a game with ever-shifting sands. The SEC, that enigmatic gatekeeper of financial fortresses, operates on its own time, its decisions shrouded in a veil of legalese and bureaucratic deliberation. Yet, with the help of our Bloomberg oracle, we can illuminate the terrain, identify potential roadblocks and shortcuts, and paint a realistic picture of when the Bitcoin ETF might finally break free from its regulatory cage. Now, let's don our explorer hats and venture into the murky depths of the timeline. The short game: don't hold your breath for an immediate BTC ETF bonanza. The SEC has a packed calendar, its plate piled high with regulatory proposals and ongoing investigations. While smaller fish like Ethereum might slip through the net sooner, Bitcoin, the towering kraken of the crypto seas, demands a more rigorous inspection. Expect months, not weeks, before the first Bitcoin ETF application even reaches the final decision stage. The mid-game gauntlet: buckle up, crypto pioneers, because the mid-game is where things get interesting. Imagine a gauntlet of regulatory hurdles, legal challenges, public comment periods, endless revisions, and the ever-present specter of the SEC saying, "Nah, not yet." Our Bloomberg sage predicts this gauntlet could take anywhere from 6 months to a year, a crucible where only the most robust ETF proposals will emerge gleaming and victorious. The endgame horizon: if we navigate the gauntlet with grace and grit, what then? Our oracle whispers of a potential 2024 endgame, a year where the regulatory stars might finally align. Think late Q3 or even Q4, a time when the SEC, hopefully satiated with smaller fry, might finally turn its gaze towards the Bitcoin behemoth. But remember, this is a moving target, a horizon that could shift with market tremors or unexpected regulatory storms. Now, let's face the inevitable dragons on the path. The Hype Hydra. Don't get devoured by the Hype Hydra, that fearsome beast with countless heads spewing FOMO and unrealistic timelines. Remember, even our Bloomberg oracle's crystal ball isn't perfect. Delays, roadblocks, and unforeseen obstacles can arise, pushing back the ETF dream further into the horizon. Stay grounded, folks, and focus on the long game, not the fleeting whispers of market sirens. The regulatory kraken, the SEC, that enigmatic leviathan, can be an unpredictable beast. Unexpected regulatory changes, political winds, and internal bureaucratic processes can all influence the timeline. Stay informed, crypto fam, keep your ear to the ground, and remember, flexibility is key when navigating the ever-shifting currents of regulatory landscapes. The Bitcoin black swan. Let's not forget the ultimate wild card, the Bitcoin itself. A sudden price crash, a major security breach, or unforeseen technological hurdles could throw the entire ETF timeline into disarray. Prepare for the unexpected, adapt your strategies, and remember, in the cryptoverse, agility is your friend. So, BitcoinDorks fam, as we peer into the murky depths of the ETF timeline, let's approach it with cautious optimism. The road ahead is long, winding, and fraught with challenges. But with a healthy dose of skepticism, a thirst for knowledge, and a willingness to adapt, we can navigate the regulatory gauntlet and maybe, just maybe, witness the glorious dawn of the Bitcoin ETF in 2024. Until then, stay informed, stay engaged, and remember, in the cryptoverse, even the darkest nights eventually give way to the golden light of a new era. Let's keep the crypto conversation flowing. Share your thoughts and predictions in the comments below, and together, we can illuminate the path towards a future where Bitcoin ETFs finally take their rightful place in the financial landscape. Remember, knowledge is power, and in the cryptoverse, informed optimism is the fuel that propels us forward. Onward, crypto fam, towards the ETF horizon.